If you want to use memory card with Xiaomi 17T Pro, then in that case, unfortunately, you will not be able to use it with the SIM tray. So if you remove the SIM tray from the phone, as you can see, we have two physical SIM card slots, but unfortunately, there is no way to use the microSD card with the SIM tray, simply because the microSD card is as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is just no way to use it. So in that case, if you want to use microSD card with this phone, you need to use an external additional accessory, like for example the memory card reader. In this case, you just put the microSD card into the memory card reader, there you go, and then you connect it with the USB-C cable to the phone, and then you should be able to access the microSD card storage. Now of course, it is not something that you probably want to walk around with all the time connected to your phone. That is not really the point. The point is to have something that allows you to access the microSD card storage whenever you need to access the microSD card storage. And that is pretty much it. Of course, my memory card reader is quite huge, but I'm pretty sure you can find memory card readers just with the microSD card slot, so they should be actually a bit smaller. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.